अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। मज़मून अंग्रेज़ी जमात सिक्स्थ यूनिट 1.3 द वाइल्ड बोर एंड द फॉक्स। ये एक मज़ेदार कहानी है। इस कहानी में हमें एक सबक भी मिलता है और कहानी में दो किरदार है। सबसे पहले इस कहानी को मैं रैपिड रीडिंग करूँगा, आपको बगौर सुनना है और अपनी किताबों में देखना। 1.3 The Wild Boar and the Fox. One day, a wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of a tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of the other animal in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the tree, looking left and right, and up and down. He also began to act as if he was really scared, but the boar didn't pay any attention to him. He kept right on his work. At last, the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but I didn't see any hidden enemy or danger." "True," replied the boar. "Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusk. My weapon have to be ready for use then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." This story tells us that it is best to be prepared. Don't leave the thing done at the last minute.